In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Hostinger domain. To get started, sign in to your Hostinger account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll manage all of your hosting, websites, and domain settings. So it's the right place to begin if you're purchasing a brand new domain. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand toolbar and click on Domains. This opens the section where Hostinger lets you manage existing domains or search for a new one to register. From there, click on Get New Domain. That will take you to the domain search page, where you can check whether the name you want is still available. In the search bar, type the domain name you want to use. At this stage, you'll also want to think about the ending, also known as the extension, like .com or one of the other available options. In this example, we're choosing .com, so go ahead and select .com. After that, click the purple search button to check availability. Hostinger will search and show you whether that exact domain can still be registered. If the domain is available, you'll see the option to add it to your cart. If it's not available, don't worry, that just means someone else already owns it. In that case, try a different name or choose another extension like .net and search again until you find an option that works. Once you've found an available domain, click Add to Cart. Next, choose how many years you want to register the domain for. Hostinger will usually give you several options here. In this walkthrough, we're selecting 1 year, so click on the 1-year option to continue. After that, you may see a few optional add-ons. One of them is Domain Shield, which offers extra protection features like a grace period after expiry and additional security on transfers and name server changes. You can add it if you want that extra protection, but in this walkthrough, we're skipping it. You may also see an option to add a starter business email. That can be useful if you want a professional email address connected to your domain, but for now, we're skipping that as well to keep the purchase simple. When you're ready, click Continue to Checkout. This will bring you to the final payment page where you can review your order before finishing the purchase. If everything looks correct, click Complete Payment to buy the domain and finalize the registration. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.